So we're taking on BTS's Permission to Dance.
Beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's wrong, sing along to Elton John and to that feeling we're just getting started.
When the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just when we fall we know how to land.
Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
You know just how to break, just with the right vibe, yeah. Cause there's no looking back, there ain't no one to prove we don't got this on lock, yeah. The wait is over, the time is not, so let's do it right.
Yeah, we'll keep going and stay up until we see the sun rise.
That we can keep the fire alive.
Cause it's not over till the summer. Say one more time. Say,
I wanna dance, the music's got me going. Nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's break our pants and live just like we're golden and rolling like we're dancing fools.
It's the thought of being young, when it hurts just like a drum, beating louder with nowhere to guard it. When it all seems like it's
Going over a couple moves. So this first move, you step to the side and cross kick, cross kick, cross kick, cross kick. You can make it bigger if you want, with little jumps. So give that a try, practice, practice. Cross kick, cross kick, cross kick. Cool. What's another you got? Are walking on the spot. So heel goes out, slide that foot in and pop the other heel. Then stick that heel out, slide the foot in, pop the other heel. So if you're walking with your right heel, slide that in, your left heel comes up. Then you put your left heel out, slide it in, your right comes up. Boom, boom, boom. Good? So we practice this again over a couple times in the song. We got some body rolls. I think that's all I want to show you. Let's just do it.